What's up, guys? Welcome back to another summer sweeper, and today on this version we're bowling on 49 feet up at Eastgate Lanes in Newton, Kansas on a 1-to-1 flat pattern. So they're going to be super hard and not a whole lot of hooks. So hopefully I can battle the tough conditions out there and take home the win. So just finished up with game one, and as always, up in Newton, Kansas at Eastgate Lanes, it is a 4-game sweeper, and they pay out each high game, and then they also pay out for the totals. And Madison and TJ battled it out game one. Madison took home the win for the game one high game pot, and I really struggled. I doubled, I split, I made all my spares, and I think I had the right idea with that mindset. I might switch to the ghost because that mindset seemed to hook a little bit early and kind of get offline. Didn't really go where I was wanting to throw it every shot. I might switch to a weaker ball here game two, but I guess you guys will just have to see. Always, guys, we're still doing that 3 bowling ball giveaway because we hit 10,000 subscribers, and by this time I believe we're almost at the end of the bowling ball tournament. So once those two things happen, we're giving away 3 bowling balls, the winner of each bracket. So stay tuned, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and there's a link down below in the comments for all of you guys out there who want to enter these giveaways. That's the only way you can enter, so click that link down below in the comments, fill out that form, and I'll catch you in the back half of this video. Game 2 down, I only struck 4 times. I doubled once, and I hit the pocket quite a bit. However, I think switching to the weaker ball wasn't the best play. You saw me go to the troublemaker, and that kind of hooked early and didn't ever hook again. And then I switched to a little bit of a quicker ball. Still flares a bunch with that Black Widow Ghost Pearl. Kind of had a little bit of turn down lane, but as you saw, a couple bad breaks prevented me from getting a little higher score. So hopefully game 3, I can continue making some good shots here and score a little bit better than 180, because the scoring pace is probably right now around 210 to 220 to cash for high games. So maybe even lower than that. So I gotta give myself a chance to actually compete for these high games. Well, I started off that game a little rough with some bad counts, and then I split, and then I switched back into that troublemaker that I said, was kind of hooking early and not really hooking again. I just kind of played that line. I let it hook early. I played a little straighter line to the pocket, and I ended up hitting the pocket pretty much the entire back half of the game. Unfortunately, I only struck once that game. So I shot 170 with one open. Only one strike, a lot of 9 counts the back half of the game. So hopefully I can figure something a little different out, because we got one more game to go. We're flipping ends of the house. Usually the lower end hooks a little more than the high end. So hopefully I can figure something out here and piece something together. But right now, for me, it's all about learning, because if you don't learn when you're bowling bad, you're just gonna keep bowling bad over and over again when I see other conditions like this. So for me right now, I gotta go out there and learn as much as I can here. I'm watching TJ play a little straighter, so I might try that this last game. But for right now, I got to figure it out for game 4, and really just for the next time I see a pattern like this. So it was more of the same with that Troublemaker. Just couldn't quite get the down lane reaction that I needed. And then when I went back and tried to play way left like TJ, I don't know if I wasn't playing far enough left. I just don't think there was enough surface on my ball. So for next time, for the learning purposes, I messed around. I tried to get at least an idea of what I could do for next time, and I think I definitely achieved that, where next time I come in, I'm using way more surface. I might play a little further left, might play a little further right, but I think game one, my plan was correct, just needed a couple better shots. And then as I progress, maybe being able to move left and have surface on my ball to make sure it hooks every time. So thank you guys for watching me learn a lot about how to play a 49-foot pattern. And hopefully you guys can take some of these tips and tricks along with you next time you bowl on a sports shot. As for me, I know I got to go practice for the next time I see something like this. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And until the next one, peace.